guys, what's up? This is Serge and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at how to do a simple yet very versatile fadeaway effect seen at the start of this video using Final Cut Pro. This was inspired by Kyler Holland's Daytona Stuntfest 2019 video, which I'll link in the video description below. Let's jump right into Final Cut Pro and take a look at how it's done. Now, you can do a lot with this effect, so let's take a look at a few different variations. First up is the freeze frame fadeaway. Skim your clip and place your playhead on the frame you want to use for your fadeaway. Press Option F to add a freeze frame clip to your video and ripple trim it to about 15 frames. Select your clip and click and drag it up above your timeline, making sure the start of the freeze frame clip lines up with the cut between the two clips below it. Next, select the end of your freeze frame clip. Press Command T to apply the default cross dissolve transition to the end of your clip. After your clip renders out, you're left with this cool little freeze frame fadeaway effect. Nice and simple, and when added to the right clip, looks really cool. Next up is a zoom in fadeaway effect. For this, instead of using a freeze frame, we'll use a part of the original video clip. Skim your clip and place a playhead on the frame you want your effect to start on. Press Command V to blade your clip there. Move your skimmer ahead about 1 second and blade your clip again. Select your middle clip, hold down the Option key and drag up your clip to make a copy of it. Make sure the cuts line up. Next, select your top clip and, in the inspector, bring up the Scale All slider to about 120%. Once again, select the end of your top clip and add a cross dissolve transition to it with Command T. After your clip renders out, it should look something like this. And last, let's take a look at a speed change zoom fadeaway effect. You can apply this to any clip, but it does seem to work better on clips recorded in slow motion. Skim your clip and, with the playhead on the frame you want to start your effect on, press Command B to blade it. Move ahead about 1.5 to 2 seconds and blade your clip again. Select your middle segment, hold down the Option key and drag it up to duplicate your clip. Set the scale of your top clip to about 120%. Now, make 2 more copies of your scaled up clip. Select your top clip, press Command R to bring up the retime menu, and from the drop down menu, select Fast and 2 times. Leave your middle clip at normal speed. Select the bottom clip in your connected timeline, press Command R to bring up the speed menu, and select Custom. Make sure the set speed is set to rate and set this to about 66%. Click anywhere outside the gray box to close the speed menu. And last, apply a cross dissolve transition to all 3 of your connected clips. Let Final Cut Pro render out your video for a cool effect that looks something like this. Now, this is just a few examples of what you can do with a fadeaway effect. Basically, anything that changes the appearance of your top clip will work. You can change the size of it, change the speed, apply color corrections, adjust exposure, and more. Adding a cross dissolve to the end of your video clip will fade it back into the original, so your video can carry on. Try it out and see what cool effect you can come up with in your next project. Make sure to share the results in the comments below. And if you're new here, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more Final Cut Pro tutorials. New videos uploaded weekly, so make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next week.